Welcome, today I am with Vivo Y52 5G from the European distribution, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. Let me just clean the screen from the fingerprints and the greasy marks, and right now take a look on the display. As you can see, when you take a look right here on the cameras, we can find this notch cutout, and the protection goes from the edge to the edge, and we can find here very thin foil, as you can see. So yeah, we can find here the default protection on our screen. Of course, if you want to protect your smartphone in a better way, you can apply here the tempered glass. You can remove this foil, but also we can leave it and apply on this foil the next protection, the tempered glass. If you don't know how to make it, you can check our other video on our YouTube channel. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.